total crypto market cap chart, but all within this area is an indicator, another indicator, I should say, signaling altcoin season 2024 into 2025. So if that excites you, please hit the like button on the way in. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, because this is going to be a fun bull season.
Information from, so go check him out when you get a chance. Capital Venture, Crypto Capital. Check him out when you get a chance. Altcoin season has just begun. Altcoin season has just begun. Bitcoin just crossed over $93,000. Let's go.
Season. Let's jump into it. So we're gonna look at the total crypto market cap chart. And actually, one thing I do want to mention to you, I'm not even gonna wait to share this. Right now, you can see it is testing the previous all-time high back here, last bull cycle high. Now, I want you to understand this. Maybe this is like the only thing to take out of this video. This is
an audio review, live review. It's an audio live review. Give credit when credit's due. Go check him out. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can go check him out. Let's go.
Is overextended, all-time high, overbought, the end, the beginning of the bear market. This is the beginning, the starting line, just getting started, undervalued. So please note, this is a weekly chart zoomed out, and this is years in the making, right? This is a Gary Gensler situation. This is FTX and Celsius situation. This is the Biden situation. We're in a new era right now, and it's undervalued. So that'll give you some context into what we're going to be talking about in the video. And then also, real quick before we leave this chart, on this chart also is what we see on Bitcoin in inverse head and shoulders. We are at the beginning. We are at the neckline breakout area. So let's start with some news. Let's start with some news. Good morning. I just say morning, but we offer Solana, PEPE, XRP, and ADA now. This is massive news. And if there's any signal for a beginning of a bull,
let me tell you how big this news is. This news is so gigantic, right? Y'all remember XRP, they delisted it. Let me repeat, they delisted XRP because of the Gary Gensler, y'all know the head of the SEC. They delisted it. They went to court. Now, I believe XRP is still in court, but look at what crypto is, what's happening with crypto now. Any day now, that court case must be dropped or because XRP is one of the key moving technology factor that's going on with this bank. Bank love XRP because they can move a large amount of money all at once in a fraction. Let me repeat, in a fraction of a second, right? ADA, I've been telling you guys about that. Check out my first video, audio video that I did, right? I told you about ADA and the blue chip. Now, XRP, SOL, and PEPE is part of my blue chip list. Let me repeat. If it's on Robinhood, then it has to pass some form of regulations, right? Just think about it like that. So ADA, XRP, SOL, PEPE, XDC, IOTA, DGB, just to name a few, right? Those are considered blue chip to me. Not Bitcoin as well. That's like grandfather. Ether or Ethereum is like your grandmother. You can't do nothing without them, right? Then you have the parents token. So it's like you got to make this make sense to you, right? And read the white paper. The white paper, basically, if you don't know, because I understand this is for beginners, the white paper is basically to give you a full description of the technology, the ins and outs, the nuances, the benefit of the technology, and you decide if it's worth investing in or not, right? ADA is definitely worth the investment, not financial advice. XRP, oh my God. I have my bag loaded with that. PEPE, I just did a post earlier about PEPE. I had put like a mere $1,000 in just the other day, and I bought it at 9 cents. It just went up to 19 cents. So I just doubled my money. real fast. Within 24 hours, my money was doubled. Within 24 hours, my money was doubled. I have the receipt. I put it right on up. Check the post. I put it right on up on the post. So let's go. This is a great time to be alive. Trump has just been elected president. So you know what that means. The money's going all the way up.
Market. This, I think, is it. And you can see XRP. It's making the headlines right now. This is probably the biggest headline of the day for crypto. But in June, here's where we really need to just focus. In June 2023, the trading platform announced its intention to delist ADA, Solana, Polygon. The decision was made after the aforementioned tokens were classified as securities by the SEC in its lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase, the two leading cryptocurrency trading platforms. So what I really want to point to your attention, and we're going to look at the charts, everybody. We're going to actually look at PEPE, XRP, ADA, Solana. We're going to look at altcoin charts. We're going to really look at altcoin season, the Bitcoin dominance chart, altcoin season. It's here. Almost to the day. It boggles my mind. But what I want to point out is this. Everything is coming into play that we've waited years for.
Yes,
all the talk about the SEC is losing. Gary Gensler is losing. Not only has he been losing in the courts, and that's been nice. We've tracked that through like kind of the bear market. SEC losing in the courts, that's kind of bullish, and we're just kind of hoping things get, settled in Congress. We get some clarity. Oh, we're next level now. We're at this area where we didn't even think we would be. Right now, Metal Lawman over here, this was yesterday, but he posted time to say goodbye to Gary. Trump elected. So here we go. November 8th, 2016 elections. Trump elected.
Let's all
Mary Jo White, the SEC chair, announces her resignation on the 14th.
Let's all say goodbye to Gary. So long for now to you, Gary. Goodbye for now. I don't want to meet again because you wasn't crypto friend. You was not crypto friend. You wasn't crypto friendly. You got rid of my XRP and I told you what it was going to be. Smash that like button, man. Let's go. Let's go. I'm excited. I am excited.
Right. So days later, November 3rd, Biden elected, 2020. November 16th, days later, Jay Clayton announces resignation. November 5th, Trump elected, 2024. Hey, Gary Gensler, we're waiting. It is time. And this is an environment in which I don't think we really anticipated. And not only that, we're just talking about Bitcoin as just having its own reserve, or US having its own reserve in Bitcoin. We have our first pro crypto president right now. There's so much bullishness right now. The American Securities.
Not only that, we also have Elon a part of the board, and y'all know he's top Doge, and you know what that means. You also have Vivek, and they actually did a Doge acronym, the Department of Efficiency, the Department of Government Efficiency. It means Doge. So pay attention, people. Pay attention. Let's go.
This association just officially called for the resignation of SEC Chair Gary Gensler. Gary Gensler was a major critic of crypto and protected naked shorting of stocks like blah, 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 blah. So that's where we are. And I want to point out, and we're going to pivot to the charts. Tyler posted this. Bitcoin is above, and I don't know, let me know in the comments, like if you agree, but I agree. This is what I feel right now. This is what I see right now.
That's what it is.
Bitcoin is above $90,000 and nobody outside our crypto bubble cares. Higher. Tell me if that's wrong, because to me, it seems very right. That's what I see, especially as a content creator, even in the comments. So here we go. Bitcoin dominance chart, and we're going to look at altcoin charts. We're going to look at Bitcoin daily, the Bitcoin daily price action that's happening right now. Important. But look at this, everybody. I don't know if you saw my video I did. This was like 3 days ago. I said altcoin season within 30 days. And we were tracking important data, namely at this exact moment every cycle. And a lot of people out there are kind of just like, man, this move and everything that's happening with crypto, it's taken so long this time. The Biden administration, Gary Gensler, they really ruined things. They really ruined the cycle. It's just taken too long. The thing is, it's not. We are actually almost exactly on schedule. Nothing has taken longer this cycle. And we've covered that multiple times on this YouTube channel, but this is a Bitcoin dominance chart. When we talk about altcoin season, in case some of you are new here and you're not aware, altcoin season is when Bitcoin dominance is falling, right? So previous cycles, and these white lines are the Bitcoin halvings, previous cycles, just after Bitcoin halving, and this is a monthly chart, by the way, but after Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin dominance falls. And this is the bull market. That's altcoin season, right? So previous 2 cycles, this is what the chart looks like. And one thing to notice at this moment of this cycle, we are just seeing Bitcoin dominance trending down. And that's because crypto as a whole is massive and it is growing, and it's not just Bitcoin anymore. And people see that the innovation isn't just Bitcoin. In fact, we have things like Cardano bringing innovation to Bitcoin to allow Bitcoin to have DeFi, trustless DeFi, right? So crypto is gaining power. It's gaining steam against Bitcoin. And I think that's going to continue. Now, in terms of altcoin season, this is essentially why I did that video the other day, within 30 days, altcoin season. Because historically, and there's no guarantees, I know that, but historically, when we look at the charts, altcoin season is about to begin. And the confluence of all the bullishness right now for crypto, this could be the craziest altcoin season that we see. I really think that. I think so many altcoins are undervalued.
I'm going to say it out, and I'm going to say it loud and clear. This altcoin season, I will be a let me repeat, a multi-millionaire, baby. Let me repeat, a multi-millionaire. We just getting started. Because I've been holding since 2018, 2017. So I had some skin in the game. I've learned. I've had diamond hands. I've been hodling for a while. I look at my portfolio. I've learned so much. What to do, what not to do, over leverage. Like, I'm a real person. I've lost. I've made 50, 60. I've lost and I've won. But one thing about me, I never quit. That's one thing. You have to have that form of attitude in this world. Never quit. Even when times get tough, don't quit, because you're going to have your day in which you say, you know what? I see why I didn't quit, because now it's all worth it. And I'm telling you, let's go. Blue chip, crypto 3. Let's go.
Right now. And right now, we're just waiting for Bitcoin dominance to kind of top out. So in regards to that, we're going to actually start zooming in on the.
And I think Bitcoin actually needs a reversal right now. Because think about it. Bitcoin just went up. Let me do the math, right? Bitcoin just went up within a month. It went up 48%, right? It went up to $30,000. It went up $30,000 from 48%. It was at 60,000. Now it's at 90. It went up $30,000. So you do the math.
The Bitcoin dominance chart, because there's some things that I really want to point out. We might be getting some kind of exciting short-term technical indicators that altcoin season really is days away. And I'm going to show.
It is.
All right, everybody. Got some more work to do. Wanted to hang out in the live stream. If you're out there and you're not a subscriber, just subscribe. What are you waiting for? It's just the most laid back crypto analysis you can have in a bull market.
Go follow him. He's great. Go follow him. He's great. He's one of the people that I actually follow and actually get credible information from him. And I'm going to give you another source, right? I compare and contrast, and most of these people are great technical analysis people, and that's what you need. The day-to-day, hey, this is what's happening. Zoom in, zoom out. Don't get your feelings involved. They say it's extreme greed, but when it's extreme greed, you already know. As soon as Bitcoin dip, altcoin is going to come here, go up there, go all the way up there. So that's what we waiting on. It already went up 30,000. I need a healthy pullback, at least to $50,000-$60,000 again, at least a 50-day moving average. Let's just be real, right? But let him cook for a couple more minutes.
Right, looking real nice on the daily charts. If I change this to a weekly, I want to change this to a weekly chart. I don't know if you have tracked XRP over the years, but look at the 2017 run. Here's the last bull market run in just a way different environment. And here's XRP now. XRP has completely loosened its chains. It is, for the first time in years, in an environment we've not seen it. And XRP is one of those coins that just out of nowhere explodes, at least from the history that I've seen on the charts. And I mean, back here in 2017 is a great example. I'm not going to just, well, I actually am. I'm going to take a bars pattern and I'm just going to measure that move. I genuinely think a move like this will happen for XRP. I just think it's going to just explode out of nowhere. And I don't know if it's going to be like exactly like that move. Here's the last cycle move. I think the whole thing got diminished. It didn't even break all-time high because of what was happening. Right now, XRP, Ripple, they're not in this fight. They're not in this legal battle anymore with, SEC. They're free. And this is very bullish. So I don't know when this chart is going to explode, but I'm quite sure if we get this parabolic bull cycle, XRP is absolutely going to go bonkers. And the thing about it is, it's not going to be like I don't think it's going to be like a slow and steady rise. I think it's really going to be just very fast, aggressive, and insane.
Agreed.
So ADA, as you know, recently made a really nice escape from all of this ridiculous consolidation. Part of the Robinhood.
Think about it like this. XRP has been suppressed, right? For well over 5-6 years. I've been holding on to my XRP, right? For well over 5-6 years, I have well over a lot of XRP. Just to say I have a lot. I have enough to go to the moon. That's all I'm saying. So what I've noticed is that, I said, I'm never going to sell because this is actually value. Not saying I'm never going to sell, but I wasn't going to back out and, I've lost this, I've lost that. Because when you sell, that's when you actually lose. So I said, you know what? I'm going to load some more. I'm telling you, XRP go up to, I'm just saying. And I have another play. Say I have a lot of different wallets. Let's just say that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have about 9 different wallets. I have about 9 different ledgers too, like away from the internet, Also has things on Uphold. I just showed you guys one of my wallets. That's just my day-to-day wallet. And then I have some things on Coinbase. And then I have some things on Binance. And then I had some things on Gemini. So all to say, right? Because you got to spread it wide, spread it, because you can be on one platform that's shut down. You might need to hopscotch and go to another platform. Because when it's time to cash out, you already know what's going to happen. It's going to be some form of landlock. So this is just a great time to be alive. Let me know in the chat what you guys hold and the significance of cryptocurrency in your life and in your world.
News, ADA just looking just so brilliant, so good from so many different perspectives, not only charting perspective. Just to give you an idea, just to give you a very brief glimpse, Cardano, when altcoin season basically started last cycle, from all-time highs, Cardano is down around 80%. Right now, from all-time highs, Cardano, I have to remove this. Cardano is down. What are we down? Look at this. Around 80%. So Cardano is just so on track. A lot of people like to just say Cardano is just, it's so behind. It's underperforming, but it's not.
Cardano is one of my greatest investments as well. It is a blue chip crypto value stock. Let me repeat. It is a blue chip crypto stock. I am all for Cardano. I've read the white paper. It is actually magnificent. It's going to use Bitcoin and all of that. All these different technologies plan on using Cardano just as much as they plan on using XRP, which is the bridge to me. But let's continue. Y'all remember Elon said we just need a bridge. And the bridge, I figured out what the bridge was. But let's go.
It's doing what pretty much most cryptos are doing. And we are right on pace for the cycle. Not to mention, we have this. Weeks ago, we were talking about Cardano plugging into 1.3 trillion of Bitcoin liquidity. Now we've had to revise that number to 1.7 trillion. And I imagine even right now it's higher. I don't know exactly what the market cap of Bitcoin is, but we need to revise the number to 1.7 trillion. It's not just the money that's in Bitcoin, but the money that's on its way over. You're not bullish enough. As you know, Bitcoin, Cardano, integration, next level bullish for Cardano. The narratives that Cardano has at this moment of the cycle, they came quick. And I would say for this bull market, much needed. And I'm very excited about it. And then Solana right now, you can just see kind of getting into all-time high territory. I have, no hate against Solana. Obviously, it's not like this coin that I'm incredibly bullish on. It's awesome to see every crypto win, especially off of really cool news like this. But I mean, and Solana has so much upside, right? We look at Ethereum market cap last cycle surpassing $500 billion. We can look at all of these altcoins and just use that as a reference point. Not as an exact comparison or anything, but just a reference point. Solana at $100 billion market cap right now. There's a lot of upside for Solana, but I'm more interested in something like Cardano as $20 billion market cap, because technologically, there's in my opinion, this is not hate or anything, there's no comparison. But then charting wise, I mean, we're sitting at all-time high here on this chart, and you have a very bullish fundamental crypto like ADA, still 80% from all-time highs. Even same can be said, something like XRP. It just has this feeling of being primed to absolutely go bonkers. And that feeling is more on a chart like this, like XRP or ADA, than it is on a chart that's already testing all-time high and is actually, now competing, I think, from a narrative perspective with something like SUI, which is still undervalued compared to things like Solana. So those are my thoughts on that. Everybody, what's Bitcoin price doing? Approaching $93,000. So we broke $92,000 on the live stream, I think, and approaching 93,000. This is the best. This is the best. Look at this comment, everybody. Like,
perhaps it's going to tap out at 100,000, and then we need a quick reversal, because everything can't go up forever. But once that quick reversal comes, my portfolio is going to skyrocket even more. That's all I'm saying. So give credit when credit's due. This guy is wonderful. I appreciate his technical analysis. I've been following him for years, and I'm just giving you a sense of what I've been doing. Smash that like button. This is Blue Chip Crypto. We're just doing an audio, or this is considered a video review with my audio voice. And then I'm gonna hop on the screen in a few, but I want to get a couple of these out the way. This is just a quick live update. Hopefully you guys have a beautiful, wonderful day. I just came from the gym. I'm gonna make me a nice shake and take a shower, and then let's head out. On that note, I'm out. Remember, Blue Chip Crypto 3. Let's go.